So at this point, we've mounted our resin screen onto the transaction counters. We've mounted our smaller upper resin screens and brackets onto the larger resin screen. Now we're going to mount the lower resin screen. So I wanted to show you some images, some still images for you to be able to easier see what I'm going to describe coming up with mounting these lower divider screens. Fairly simple. You've got 3 holes on a vertical in the center of this lower resin screen. You've got 3 drilled holes in the transaction green screen. Okay. The only other part we have is we have a U channel that's going to butt up to the green resin screen. It's going to mount squarely across the plane. And then this lower screen is going to slide up into that channel and slide into place. That's how you mount these screens.